my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am showing you guys a unit by OQHAIR. This is everything I received in my package. Of course, a wig cap, some lashes, and their lace band. This is the unit here, which is their water wave, 16 inches long, 180 density. I love the texture on this unit, and I love the fact that this is a wear and go unit. So if you are beginner friendly, this is great for you. Or if you're just tired of installing units, the process, then this is perfect for you. This is the construction, which is 4x6. This is a pre-cut lace. So it's already cut for you. You don't have to worry about cutting, and it is pre-plucked too as well. So already done for you. Like, this is amazing. I'm showing you guys the lace before I start to bleach the knots. So this is before I bleach the knots. It still looks good. It still looks natural because this is a HD lace. Hey you guys, here I am. So now it's time for us to install this unit. So it is a little damp from me washing the hair because I did bleach the knots. As you guys can see, it looks even more realistic and like scalp. You don't have to do this, but for my liking I do. I did put a little bit of concealer in my wig cap so everything can, you know, blend seamlessly and it can look natural as possible. And I put a little bit of it in the lace too as well, around the hairline area. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going to go ahead and talk. I know I was like trying to do a voiceover, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to talk to you guys about the unit. So as you guys can see here, there is no adjustable straps on this because this is a glueless wig. And as you guys can see, the lace is already cut for you, so you don't have to do any cutting. And I like this new method that, you know, a lot of hair companies are starting to do, which is pretty cool. It gets you more right to the point in installing your unit. And then this is my first time not having an adjustable strap in the back, because y'all know, like, that actually helps you to adjust your wig if you are, you know, if it's too big or it's too small, whatever the case may be, you can adjust the size of the wig. So this is my first time not having it. It is stretchy though at the back, so that's good. It has some elastic. That's good. Okay, we need that just in case, depending on the size of your cap. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it on, and then this is the elastic band that you need to have in your wig for it to be a glueless wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on to see what it's giving real quick. Okay, y'all, hold on, because it just melted right down. Now the only thing I don't like with either closures, wigs, or it's very hard to get my ear comfortable. I don't know if it's just my head or what. I don't know, but look at this. Hold on, let me use my comb so y'all can see how melted this is. You see that? Like, what? You can actually cut a little bit of lace depending on what you like. I can cut like some extra lace that I feel like just don't need to be here. So that extra, but look at that. So I can cut a little bit of extra lace, or you can use a little bit of spray, not glue. The adhesive spray version, except for like the actual glue. Just to make sure that, you know, the front of the hairline is secured. But look at that. Laid, okay? Blended, melted right down. What? Pretty curls. The hair is still damp from me washing it, so that's a good thing. I get to share with you guys what the hair look like when it is wet a little bit. So this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. You can wet this hair. I definitely feel like this is perfect vacation hair. Of course, I'm going to fix the parting and everything, and there's a little bit of my mousse too as well. And I am going to just spray a little bit of my adhesive spray. I'm not using any like white glue. Like, we're not going that deep into gluing the wig down. That's the whole point of the glueless wig. But for me, just to feel more extra secureness, I love the length of this, y'all. Like, it's perfect. Definitely look like vacation ready, don't it? Like, I love this length. I haven't done short curly in a while. I've been doing a lot of long, so this gets the job. This do what it needs to do, okay? And if you want to, you can take out some of your own hair on the side if you want to. Like, get cute, get playful with it, play around with it. You know, like, it's very easy. This is definitely beginner friendly. Or if you're not even or if you're not even a beginner with wigs and you want something that is easy and not you know, that takes so long to install, get this. I'm going to use a little bit of my mousse on the top. I think I'm obsessed with the length of this hair, and then the curl pattern is like perfect. I'm gonna stay this on for just a little bit longer. Period, y'all. Do y'all see it? Like, do y'all see it, or it's just me? Cause what? Look how good that looks. Like, wow. Wow. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and I want to come back to show you guys the hair, like it being a little dry because it's damp right now. So this is damp with mousse in it, freshly washed. And then I want to show you guys what it looks like once it's a little bit dry. But overall, cute. Like, it almost looks like it's layered a little bit. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. Like a bob. That looks natural, like it's growing out of my scalp. If you say it don't, then you crazy. Because you know it's giving scalp. Okay, so I'm gonna like let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna like let it air dry just a little bit more so we can see what it's giving at its full natural state. So here we go, you guys. This is the hair. It dried a little bit so you guys can see the curl pattern a little bit more, the natural curl pattern that it comes with. It is still a little bit, you know, a little damp, but it is drying so you guys can get the full effect of it. I love it. I feel like the more it dries, the more I'm obsessed with the, you know, the curl pattern. And I did say it's cut like a bob. This is a bob wig, so it does look like it's kind of like already like cut and shaped for me. You could go in and like, you know, make some more layers in the front or whatever you feel, but looks pretty good. I'm obsessed with the curls on this wig. I know I said that this is a very good beginner friendly wig and it's a great wig to travel with, which is all facts, because you know when you're traveling you don't want to do too much when you're getting ready. You just want to get ready and go, you know what I mean? Like, you want something quick, and you also want something that if you are like traveling where it's water and you're, you know, at the beach or whatever the case may be, this is perfect because it can get wet. You know, it's quick and easy and it can get wet. And I mean, what else would you want in a wig, you know? Like, this looks really good. Other than that, it's a beautiful unit. Let me know what you baby dolls think about this hair, because I am obsessed. I love you guys so very much. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And the whole full description of this hair, all the details will be listed down below. I love you baby dolls so very much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.